This is a quick tutorial on how to use the hob at Braeside House. Okay, so above the line controls the fan, and there's really only a couple of buttons that you need to worry about. That button turns it on, and you can increase the fan and decrease the fan by pressing the plus and minus sign. Pretty simple. Below the line controls the cooking areas, of which there are 4. And again, you turn it on by using the on-off button. Again, plus and minus, using the plus and minus signs. Pretty simple. That's all you really need to know, and you can just ignore the other buttons.